To make a knit stitch, we're going to insert our needle through the stitch from, you can either see this as front to back or left to right, wrap the yarn around, and bring it right back through. This is the new stitch, this is the old stitch, which we're just going to slip off. And the old stitch hangs directly below the new stitch that we made onto our right-hand needle. So I always teach the kids, under the fence, catch the sheep, back you go, and off you leap. It's useful because a lot of beginners often forget one of the steps, and if you know that there are 4 lines to the poem and 4 steps to making a knit stitch, it can be really helpful. So, under the fence, catch the sheep, back you go, and off you leap. We're really going in through the stitch, getting the yarn, and coming right back out the same place. So, just like that. One more time. All right, there's your knit stitch. So if you carry your yarn in your left hand, you're going to make your knit stitch like this. Going through the loop, grab the yarn, bring it right back through and off. This is the Continental method, so the through the loop and grab the yarn is kind of one swift motion. From a different angle. And there you have the knit stitch with your yarn in your left hand.